Yes.
Mustafa.
Yes.
It's recording.
Recording.
Yes, it's recording.
I can't do anything. I can't press the meeting controls.
Just stop share.
I can't do that. That's what I'm telling you. I can't.
Okay.
What about this?
No. Yeah,
I just
now you can.
did it and just did it.
What is recording?
Everything is recording whatever we are doing.
Come on, so why did you share your food?
Khadija, it's recording.
Khadija is recording. Don't do.
You see that REC red color, that means it's recording.
Where is the red color?
And it will go on YouTube.
RECOR. Yes. It is wrote with black, white. And there's a circle also.
Okay, what do you want to know? I will tell you.
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. You were explaining something, no, to Omar?
No, I was telling that
It was
it was recording.
Yes, everything is recorded. See, Omar, can you see that dot over here? That is recording. So, like, you know, whenever we take a session, it's being recorded.
REC.
Yes, it's being recorded and then we put it on YouTube so that you can see it again.
But why, ma'am?
Because if you miss something or if you're not well, you miss the class, then you just can see the recording what the teacher is telling.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I never miss class.
That's very
Even
wonderful.
that we can see.
Just for that,
Maybe,
that
Umayma?
collection, the rock collection, I forgot and I came in another meeting and I was waiting that nobody's coming. Then my mom saw it is time also. Then my mom saw, so she told that that you were in other meeting. So my a bit missed. So my father gave it on YouTube. So I saw.
Okay, Umayma. Okay. So today we don't have our SDG class. I know you all enjoy your SDG class like anything. But today
What does that mean? STG class?
SDG is when we do experiments, lot of experiments. We did volcano
So
experiment.
what will you do today?
Today, yes, Musfira. I will let you know what are we going to do today. Yes, Musfira.
But why? Why are we not going to do anything?
Okay. So what are we going to do is, do you like to play Kahoot quiz?
No.
No, you don't like to play Kahoot quiz?
No.
Wow, this is rocks. Okay.
It is shells.
It is shell. Oh wow, that's nice, Manha. Umayma, why do you not like to play Kahoot?
I like to play Kahoot, but I want to do experiment right now.
Yes. Okay. So this week SDG is not there, so we will do the experiment in science class. Is it all right, Umayma?
Ma'am, you send a Kahoot quiz to us?
No, we are going to play it right now. Okay. Is it all right?
Okay.
But
Okay.
to play a Kahoot quiz, you have to listen to my story very attentively. Is it all right? Can I expect that from everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So if you will pay attention to my story, then you will be able to play that Kahoot quiz very easily. Yes, Musfira.
Ma'am, that's a science quiz you are doing.
No, we are not doing science. We will do something on SDG.
Ma'am, will it be easy?
Yeah, it will be very, very easy. Okay.
1 minute, ma'am. I'm coming.
Okay.
I want to stop video for some time.
Okay, not a problem. Okay. Rest of them is, are you all with me? Okay, so we will just read the story for some time and we'll see what can we learn from this story. Okay, and then we'll play a
Ma'am,
Kahoot
can you
quiz.
share again?
What you said, Mustafa?
Can you share
I can-
and share again?
Why?
And I cannot
Because I
see.
can't see the screen.
You can't see the screen? You cannot see the
I
screen?
also not. Yes.
Okay, I will share the screen again for you.
Just
Okay?
slowly.
Okay, but yes, this is because ebook, it will take some time to load. Okay, it will take some time to load. It's all right.
Ma'am, are we going?
Now can you see the screen?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
it will take some time. Everyone, please, it will take some time.
The messy Maggie.
Ah, I think so. Umaima wants to eat Maggie. That is why she read Maggie. Yes? Who is hungry and who wants to eat Maggie? Everyone, no, I think so.
Yes.
Sweet Maggie.
Oh, everybody likes
But,
Maggie, I think so.
Maggie is not healthy.
Yes. Sometimes
But,
you can have it.
some Maggies are healthy.
So what? Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can eat sometimes.
Ah, yes. We can eat
Ma'am.
sometime, but not always. Okay.
Ma'am,
some
Mustafa
Maggies
is
are
a very healthy man.
Okay.
Ma'am, Mustafa is a very healthy man.
Mustafa is a very healthy man.
And but
Yes,
I'm
he
not
just
even a
tells
man.
it is not healthy. It is not healthy.
I'm not even a man.
Okay. Okay. Can I read for you all?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a story of a magpie. Okay. Magpie is a bird.
Everybody knew.
Everyone knew. So magpie is a bird, and please pay attention to it. It's a very, very nice story, and I'm very, very confident that you all will learn something from this story. Okay. It's often been noted as years have gone by that magpies collect all the things that they spy. So
Ma'am,
what
I
does,
can hear you.
you can't hear me? Yeah. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I can hear you. Collection.
Yes, it's kind of a rock collection. So this magpie
Yeah,
wanted to
now I can
collect
hear.
everything.
Ma'am, can you say from starting, please?
Yes.
Because I could not hear you.
Okay. I will start from beginning. Okay. So now you listen carefully.
mute everybody.
Okay, okay, okay. Everybody, please mute yourself. Okay, I have muted everyone now. Okay, it's often been noted as years have gone by that magpies collect all the things that they spy. They love all things colorful, shiny, and bold. No matter how tiny, no matter how old. So this magpie likes to collect everything like rock collection. Like how do you collect your toys? So magpie likes to collect all things, whatever is shiny and glittery. Okay, whether it is small or big, he likes to collect everything. Yes, Manha.
What is rock collection?
Rock collection we did. That girl had come and she showed all kind of rocks. Adia, yes, Umar. Yes, Umar. Adia had come. Okay. So.
Manha was not that collection.
Oh yes, Manha, you were not there.
No, I was there.
You were there, right? Okay.
Yes. But
Why magpie is taking with his big cola?
No, magpie is a bird, Umar. It's a bird. Okay. So Morris is the name of this magpie bird. Morris, the magpie. Yes, yes, Manha, I can see that. Morris, the magpie, the same, it would seem, as he loves to pick up any object that gleam. Gleam means to glitter, okay? He takes them all home to his nest in a tree to make it look special for others to see, okay? I'm stop sharing. Okay, tell me, who can tell me? Now I want to see who all were attentive. Okay, Zainab and Khatija, please turn on your screen. I want to see you both. Okay, Mustafa, you will go ahead first. Mustafa, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please
Wait.
listen.
Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please
Uma.
listen. My internet was gone, so I could not hear anything. Ma'am. Can you repeat it again?
Okay, we'll do that again. Okay, Mustafa, you tell me, what was the name of that bird?
Morris.
Morris. And actually, what bird it is? Musfira Rizwani, you tell me. Wait, Mustafa. What is the
It
name?
is a hyena.
Oh, Umayma, where you have gone? I'm talking about a bird. She has gone to hyena.
Ma'am, I know what is it.
Okay, Umar, you tell me.
Meena.
Oh no, it's the name.
He likes the shining.
No, Musfira, my question is, what bird is that? Its name is Morris, but what bird? What is the name of that bird?
Crow.
No.
Something
Yes,
like
Manha.
crow.
No, Umayma wanted to eat Maggie, something. Yes. Magpie. Very nice. So the name of the bird is magpie, but in this story, the magpie name is Morris. Okay, and let me go to Khatija. Khatija, please unmute yourself. Khatija, can you hear us?
KK.
Khatija, she has written KK. If the new teacher will come, she will not be able to take your name, Khatija. Is Khatija not around? Okay, we'll go to Manha then. Manha, you tell me. Okay, Manha, what magpie likes to collect?
All the things, old, new, glittery,
Yes.
and shining things.
Shiny things. Okay, Musfira Sayyed, you tell me now that where he used to collect all those things and where that magpie used to take it. Where he used to collect. Where the magpie used to collect.
Some kind of home or...
What home?
You said it, home.
Yes, home, but nest, okay? What is the home of the bird? Nest, right?
Yes.
Okay, Umayma, did you understand the story? Did you get an idea? Yes, okay. Then now we will continue.
Yes.
Okay, good. Umayma, then be ready. Umayma and Khatija, be ready. I'm going to ask you both. Okay?
Okay.
That's not there. Yes. She comes now.
Okay. Okay. Now, one day, did I miss anything? Just let me check, okay?
No, you didn't.
No, okay. Thank you. Now, one day, young Morris was struck by surprise when a gift was thrown down right in front of his eyes. As it flew from a car, Morris said, "Could it be that this human has given a present to me?" He swooped down to pick up the beautiful gift, which was hard to maneuver and heavy to lift. He carried it home. Yes, Manha, just let me continue. I'll come back to you. He carried it home, though it took him all day. Then he cleaned up his present to put on display. Okay. So now what happened over here? Okay. So somebody from the car, they threw a can. Okay. And what Magpie understood is, he understood that this is a gift which has been given by human being. Was it a gift? Umayma?
No.
So what was it?
No.
What was it?
It was a Coca-Cola can.
So what is that called as?
Coca-Cola bottle.
Coca-Cola bottle. But was it filled?
It was a can.
No.
empty.
It was a pop can.
Wait. Let Umaima answer.
Empty.
Umaima, tell me.
It was empty.
When we throw all these empty things, what is that called as, Umaima? And Khatija?
Litter.
Yes, exactly, litter. Very nice. Khatija, are you there with me, Khatija? Yes. Okay. So what MacP did when he saw the can? Khatija, unmute yourself. Wait. Let Khatija tell me the answer.
He took it.
Okay, Khatija, when he took that can, only Khatija will answer. When he took the can,
Okay.
where he took the can? He thought it's a gift.
To his nest.
Only Khatija, Mustafa, only Khatija. Now I want Khatija to be very, very attentive and tell me all the answers. Okay, Khatija, next is your turn, Khatija. So be very, very attentive, okay? Okay. So now MacP thought that it's a gift from human and he took it to his house or home. He wanted to decorate all
Ma'am,
that.
I can't see, ma'am. The screen, I can just see that only page. Now I can see.
Because this is ebook, it will take time to load, okay? He wanted to decorate all that he could. So the next day he went to the edge of the wood. He hopped down, he flew to the place where the gift had been dropped, where he saw that a family of human had stopped. He hopped down.
You missed one part, the white part. He flew the place where
Yes, Umar, now I can see that Umar is very, very attentive. Okay. He flew to the place where the gift had been dropped, when he saw that a family of human had stopped. Okay, who is annotating? Who is annotating?
somebody.
Okay, let me. Okay, now please clear the annotation. Whoever has done it, please clear the annotation.
I don't have
Okay. Let me then stop share, and please now do not annotate. Now you will not be able to annotate because I have already disabled annotation. Okay. He hopped down to search for his gift on the floor, but he noticed that this time they left many more shimmering treasures among all the green. These gifts were the finest that Morris had seen. Okay. So now Morris is in the delusion that these are all gifts. Okay. So this time what he got in the garden? Umar, tell me. You are very attentive, Umar. I want to give you the chance. Zainab has not got the chance. Okay. Umar, tell me what he got this time, MacP. What MacP got this time?
He got all of his collection and he decorated.
Yes, he decorated his tree. Zainab, please unmute yourself and tell me. Tell me now. Okay, tell me now. This time he got really lots and lots of shiny and glittery material. Okay, so this time he was very happy. Okay, so now where did he took all the collection again? Where did he keep all the collection?
In his nest.
Okay, and where he found this all the collection?
In garden.
Zainab? No, it was not a garden. No, it was not a garden. Who can tell me what was it? Where he found all the collection?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. I can't hear you properly.
You can't hear me? Is my voice really cracking?
No, your voice is
My voice is proper. Okay. No. Tell me where he found all the collection, glittery material. Manha, tell me. Khatija, tell me where he found all the collection. Khatija, where was it?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Zainab, tell. Go ahead.
It was found at a picnic.
No, it was not a picnic. It was not a picnic. He found everything in a wood. What is wood?
And the wood.
Wood means what?
It means like a grassy forest land.
Yes, it's a forest. Mustafa, you are sitting in a very dim room or something, or it's a virtual background. Okay, now I can see you. Okay, very good. Next is Khatija's turn. Khatija, be ready.
Virtual background it is.
Okay, it's a virtual background. It's fine. Okay. Okay. So now what happens is he collected everything, and this time it was really lot of collection. Okay, and he took all the collection to his tree. Each day he returned.
Ma'am, I can't see. Yes, now I can see.
Okay. Each day he returned and he could not believe all the wonderful gifts. You can't see, Muskara?
Yes, now I can see.
Okay. Each day he returned and he could not believe all the wonderful gifts that were left to retrieve. His tree was soon bursting with no space for more. So he started to spread them all out on the floor. Okay, so now, okay, what Magpie used to think is gift is actually what? Khatija, you have to answer. Wait, let Khatija answer. Khatija, I have not heard from Khatija since the beginning. Khatija, tell me. Khatija, unmute yourself.
Answer.
Wait, let Khatija answer because I have not heard Khatija speaking.
Okay.
Khatija, tell me. Khatija.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Khatija, Magpie was thinking all whatever he was collecting is actually a gift. But what is it actually?
Decoration.
Creation. What is that creation?
She told decoration.
Decoration. Did you say decoration, Khatija?
Yes, she told.
Khatija, it was not a decoration. Okay, Manha, you tell. Okay, Manha, tell me.
That was waste.
It was all waste material which he was collecting.
It was rubbish.
It was rubbish. It was a litter which he was collecting and which he was hoarding and which he was piling up on his plant. And now the time has come when his when his tree was completely covered with all the glitter material which he has collected. So he was actually collecting all the litter. Okay.
Ma'am, he's collecting empty bottles and that.
Yes, he was collecting all rubbish. Okay.
I don't like rubbish things.
Yes, but Magpie did not understand that. Okay. So now we'll go to the next.
We can recycle rubbish things.
And then once.
And he took it that and he eat that.
Yes.
Stomach is very junk.
Wait. Let me complete and then we will talk about it. Okay. So now, yes, Umar.
That there is all rubbish in the sea, on the pond, and
yes,
and in his mouth and everywhere. That is his collection.
Yes, it was all his collection. Okay. So first, the tree was completely bursting. Bursting means it was filled with all the shiny materials which he collected, and now. When he did not find any place, what he started to do is whatever rubbish he collected, he scattered on the floor itself. So now the river is filled with rubbish, the forest is filled with rubbish, the plants are filled with rubbish. So it grew and grew. Okay, now what happened is, then one day as Morris was sat in his tree, admiring the beauty of all he could see. Yes? Yes,
no,
Umayma?
nothing.
Now you are able to see, right?
Yes.
He noticed that things were now changing below, that the plants were all dying and struggling to grow. Okay, now what is happening with the rabbits because of this litter? Just be very, very careful. Okay, the grass was not green like it had been before. The flowers were wilting, not bright anymore. His animal friends watched in fear and distress as their home and their foods were soon lost to the mess. Okay, so now what is happening because of this? Because he started collecting all the litter, all the shiny material, all the decorative items. What happened to the plants? Tell me. Wait. Now I want. I feel Mustafa is not paying attention. Mustafa, you tell me.
Because he was collecting things, the plants were dying.
Yes. Wait, Mustafa. Okay, Abhi, now I think who is not paying attention, let me go to that person. Okay, I think Manha is not paying attention. Manha, you tell me, what is happening to his friends, animals?
It is destroying.
Wait, Manha, let Manha answer.
Okay.
Okay, yes, Manha.
And that animal's house are very messy.
Now, animals' house are blocked because of that decorative items. Okay, so okay.
And is in rubbish.
Okay, Zainab, I think so. Now Zainab is also not paying attention. So Zainab, this question is for you. Okay, Zainab, what is happening to the rivers, river and lake? Wait. Let Zainab answer. Then I will come to Ali and Khatija again and Umar. Tell me, Zainab, what is happening to the river because of this litter?
The river is full of litter.
The river is also filled with all the rubbish. And what is happening with all this? When the plastics we are throwing in the river, what is happening with all those things? Okay, Khatija, go ahead and tell me. Yes, Khatija, tell me.
I want to tell one thing.
Wait, Musfira, let me go to Khatija, then I'll come to you. Okay, Khatija, tell me. Wait, Manha. Khatija, please answer.
The plastic things that we put in the river, it goes very, very fast.
It grows very, very fast. Did you say that, Khatija?
Yes.
When we throw all the plastics in the river and in the lake, the sea animals, the sea creatures, the fishes, the turtles, all the small fishes, they get choked, they get blocked in the plastic, and they die because of the suffocation. They can't breathe. Yes.
I want to tell one thing.
Yes, Musfira, go ahead. Wait. Let Musfira go ahead.
I'm telling, he taking in the tree and he want to eat that empty bottle, and then his stomach is very jumped.
So this Magpie was not eating anything. But still,
can I say something?
This litter, okay, yes, Umayma. This litter was affecting all the environment. Yes.
And
Musfira.
Wait, now let Umayma. Okay, Umayma, tell.
In one cartoon, I saw that the one man was throwing bad oil in the water, and the fishes were dying.
Yes, even if when there's a lot of oil on the surface of the water, what happens is the marine creatures, they cannot breathe. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will end the story over here and we'll continue in our flipped classroom on Thursday. But now what are we going to do? What I have promised you all? Tell me quickly.
Scary.
scary video.
Kahoot.
are going to play.
video.
No. We are going to do try something new. I said so. We are going to play Kahoot. Okay.
Experiment.
Ma'am, what is the pin? What is the pin?
Okay. Just give me a minute. Mustafa, stop sharing your screen. Okay. So we are playing a Kahoot. Do you have a device with you all? Do you have a device?
Ma'am.
What
Okay.
device?
Device is
I'm
any.
in the
do you have-
Kahoot also.
Okay.
In my iPad.
Zainab, listen. You have to give me my mobile phone back and take your Abbu's mobile phone. Okay.
Ma'am,
Zainab, please
Kahoot
come
app
back
in
and
my
give me the
phone.
mobile phone back.
Mobile?
Yes. Do you have your mobile phone, Musfira? Yes.
No. Ma'am, my mobile phone.
Okay. Can you all get a mobile phone quickly from your appies? Just
Ma'am,
tell them.
look on my screen.
Ma'am, but this I'm working. I'm attending my class on iPad, so there is Kahoot on iPad.
Okay. So can you go to Kahoot? Okay. Manha has got. Umar can do it. Okay. Khatija, can you go and quickly get a mobile phone? Quickly. Khatija, Ali, can you get a mobile phone? Can you ask someone to give you a mobile phone just for 15 minutes?
Ma'am, what is the password of
I will share. Let everybody be ready.
What, ma'am?
Ali, you have to get a mobile phone. Okay? Just ask your Abbu or ask your brother to give you a mobile phone just for 15 minutes. Okay? Ali, can you do that? Is anyone around? Okay, Mustafa has got. Okay. Who else? Ali, quickly go and get.
Ma'am, what is pin number?
I will tell you. Let Ali quickly arrange for a mobile phone. Khatija, show me your mobile phone, Khatija. Okay, Khatija, quickly show me
I
your
am
mobile phone.
getting mobile phone.
Okay, good, Ali.
Khadija
Khatija.
is taking the Kahoot on laptop and is using it.
Okay, so can you help her, Shamila? Shamila, pa, can you help her
Shazia.
out? Yes, Shamila. Pa.
Actually, I'm opening the Kahoot on
Okay,
laptop.
okay, fine. Okay, done. I'll just share the pin with you all. Yes. Now I am.
can wait 2 minutes.
Yes, I will wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, Mustafa, let me share the pin with you all. Just give me a 2 minute. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
Manha.
got it.
Okay. Okay, very well done. I will share a pin. Wait, Manha. I will let you know. Okay.
enter pin?
Thank you.
So my okay. So
It's
now
a
I am.
WhatsApp.
Listen. I am sharing my pin on chat. Okay. Can you all see the chat?
I will see.
Okay.
And this.
Just
Ma'am,
see the
this.
chat. Yes. Just you have to enter the pin. Once you'll open the app, you have to just enter the pin. Okay. So this is
We have
my
to
pin.
go enter pin now. We have to
Yes.
put now.
Yes, Umar.
Ma'am, why are you not writing on the chat?
I am writing on the chat. Now you will see. You have to enter the pin.
Just tell us the.
It's not
Ma'am,
well
Abhi,
present on the
tell
chat.
us
You
the
can't see it on the chat. Okay.
Can you all see? Wait. Okay, good, Manha. You go ahead.
1, 6, 4, 8, 0.
Zainab, can you open the chat? Zainab?
Ma'am,
Yes,
this
we
is
are
the
playing
chat.
Kahoot. Yes.
Ma'am, this is the
No, not this chat. The Zoom chat. Mustafa, I have put a pin on the Zoom chat. Umaima, can you see the chat? Zainab, can you see the chat? Zainab, can you see the chat? Open a chat.
648031.
Yes, you have to enter.
Type.
Yes, I will show
It
you
is
that.
not down.
So there will be written enter the pin. You have to just enter the pin and say okay. Yes, very nice, Manha. You can start playing.
801.
Yes, okay, okay. Say yes.
8031.
Yes, yes, Umar. Okay. Yes, Umar.
Yes.
Who is not able to do it, I will help them. Yes,
Ma'am,
Manha.
I'm in
You
the
can.
Kahoot also.
Very nice, Ali. Very nice. Good. Well done. Yes, Manha.
What's it? 0.
I am playing also. We want to take the number.
Yes. You have to just enter the number. Yes. Start playing. And did you enter the pin, Manha?
Yes, ma'am. You've been
Ma'am,
challenged.
I got all correct. Ma'am, I got all correct. Ma'am, I
Very
got all
nice.
correct.
Umaima has already done it. Musfira, yes, Manha.
It is very easy. It is very easy. It
Did
is
you,
very easy.
Manha, I can't see your screen, Manha. I can't see your screen. Put it little closer so I can help you.
Ma'am, look, I done all correct.
Yes,
It is.
just submit it. Just submit. What is written or down? Just click.
Morris.
Easy.
Zainab, have you started? Yes,
and
Ali.
the first one, ma'am.
Good, good, Umaima. Good.
Is it true?
Second is Uma, third is Khadija.
Okay, they have already logged in. Zainab, you can take the help of Dadi or maybe Abu.
Third is Zainab, ma'am. Third is Zainab, fourth is Khadija.
Zainab also entered. Musfira, what about you? Musfira Rizwani, what about you?
Mustafa Kazi is fifth, ma'am.
What came out of the car window?
What should we do with
Okay, I
I
can
am
see.
playing my second. Zainab is third.
Yes,
Fourth is
yes, I can
Khadija
see
and
that.
fifth is
Manha
When
and
did you do it already?
which Musfira is this? Is it Musfira Rizwani or is it Musfira Sayyed? I can't see
No
Musfira.
Muspira.
There
There
is
is no Muspira.
Yes, yes, I can see Musfi. Who is that Musfi? Is it
I
Musfira?
can't see Musfi.
I can see. I can see.
I can only.
Ah,
Ma'am,
that
I
was
got
Musfira
also
Sayyed.
correct, ma'am. I got
Okay,
all correct
okay,
and
we'll see.
also Mustafa is first, ma'am.
I did it
His-
faster than you.
Yes, because he did.
I did the first one. I was the first one, Mustafa.
Third.
Okay.
But
Zainab,
I
what
did
about
not
you? Were you able to play? Zainab, were you able to play? Very nice. Okay. Khatija
I'm
is
third.
all right. Khatija is third, I think. So Khatija is third.
Are we doing experiment?
No, we are not doing experiment.
No,
We will-
Khatija is fourth.
Khatija is third. She's third.
Like yellow Zainab is
Fourth,
third.
look. Ma'am,
Look, ma'am.
Was it easy peasy? Yes, yes. Oh, wow.
I'm
wow.
third. Easy lemon squeeze.
Let me check. Let me check. Okay.
I think orange.
Okay. Let me check and I will let
Ma'am,
you know.
where I
Is
am?
everyone done? Is everyone done?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I was the first one.
Ma'am, where I am?
Let me check. Umar, you are fourth.
Fifth.
Umar, you are fourth now.
No,
Let me
he's
check. He's fifth. Musfira Deswani
Khadija
and
is
Ali.
fourth.
Ali, what about you?
Ma'am, my son.
Oh, Musfira is also done. Just show me thumbs up if
Ma'am,
you're done.
but in Kahoot there is written I'm third.
Okay, wait, let me check. Let me check. Okay, I will get all the answers once they are all completed. Okay.
Ma'am, then put it on the podium.
Where
Put
is
us on the podium.
Maima, we have to still learn how to play it on the laptop. So next time, once you will be able to do this, then we'll play on
Ma'am,
the
I
full
know.
screen.
Ma'am, I know how to play on laptop also, ma'am.
So next time we will do that. Okay. Okay. Now can I tell you the answers? Okay. Who came first? Can I say? Okay. Ali, you are not Umar. Okay. Umar is there. Where is Ali? Where is Ali? Ali, you are not there. Okay, Ali, start playing. Yes, start playing, Ali. Okay. So now Mustafa has got 2,984 points. Then next is Umaima. Okay. Umaima has got 2,979 points. Then third is Zainab. Okay. 2,964 points. Then it is Khatija.
How do you get that all?
I got all the entire scores. Okay. Whoever has played.
But I can't see. Ma'am.
Maybe you will not be able to see because you have not challenged everyone. I am the one who challenged everyone. Okay.
Oh.
And do you know what score I got? I am in the end. I am in the last. Really? I'm on the 8th position.
I am 7th position.
Yes, yes. I will put the scores. I will put the scores on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Your score is. I didn't get your scores. Okay. I will wait, Manha. I will put that on the WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp so that you can check. What happened, Ali? What happened?
It is not doing.
It is not working for you, Ali. You have to just enter the code. Can you see the code, Ali?
It is on the podium.
Okay, I will do that next time, Umaima, when we will do it live on the Zoom. Okay.
I like to play
I think so. Hope everyone enjoyed this game. So, yes, really, next time we can play more games and little tougher ones. Okay.
Ma'am, one more time I want to play.
Okay, not today, not today. Our time is over. So we will play next time. Okay. Okay. And on Wednesday, on Wednesday we will have some experiment because this week we did not do any experiment. So on in Sunday class I will put all the ingredients. Sorry, not in Sunday class. For Wednesday class I will put all the ingredients, get it, and we'll do the experiment. Okay. Bye bye everyone.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye
And next then we do a Kahoot class.
Okay. Bye bye.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Ali, you play it and submit it to me. Okay, Ali. You play the Kahoot game and later on I'll check.
Bye bye, ma'am. Bye bye,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Bye bye.